Hello, my name is Duane Knickerbocker with Brower Mechanical, and we're going to be talking about our next energy workshop, or how to electrify our homes and all the advantages with it. You know, one of the things that we see so often is we go into our favorite grocery store and they got all those neat, cool little stickers that show you that it's organic food. Well, how come we don't have something for our homes to show that they're actually safe for us to be in? Or what are the things that we can do to make it a better environment in our homes? Another thing we're going to be talking about is, you know, why do I have that room in my home that's a different temperature than the rest of the house? Or if you got a two-story home, why is it hotter upstairs than downstairs? And so often that we just dismiss it to the fact that we think, oh, heat rises, that's why it's hot upstairs, so much hotter upstairs than downstairs. We've got homes where we got one thermostat, one unit, and it's a half a degree difference between downstairs and upstairs. We'll go over how that actually happens, and you can get that to be a normal temperature upstairs. We'll talk about these energy upgrades that we do, how actually they reduce the amount of noise in our homes that comes from the outside. So we'll go over all the energy upgrades and how do we reduce that noise from the outside. Smartphones, we almost all have them. How do I maximize the opportunity and be able to do other smart things in my home automatically with my smartphones? We'll be talking about mini split technology. Maybe we have an empty nester, our kids have all left the home, and there's certain areas in the home that we just want to heat and cool. We don't want to kick on that system to heat and cool the whole house. We'll be talking about this technology. We typically have these storage facilities that we're paying $50, $80 a month. Could that storage facility possibly be in my attic, saving me that $50 to $80 a month and bring in an amount of comfort in our homes? If you have a pool, you know that they cost a lot of money to operate on a monthly basis. That pool pump filter. We'll be talking about all the different technologies that are out there to reduce your costs on pool pumping. Gas cooking. We all love our gas cooktop. Well, we'll show you on this new induction cooktop all the advantages of it. Please reserve judgment on cooking with gas until you see this new induction technology. We'll be talking about all the different ways to heat water that are out there. If you're looking at a whole house fan, we'll be talking about the advantages of whole house fans. What do you need to look for in the attic? What are the things that can maximize the benefit of a whole house fan? We like to say our whole house fans serve as the primary cooling device for our homes and just leave in the air conditioner for those very hot days. We'll go over all the ways to do it. If you go to a solar system, we're very proud that we've got 91 members on our Teeny Tiny Solar Club. That's people that we've got them to their energy goals, and we've put in 10 panels or less to get them to their energy goals. And we want to, the opportunity to look at the reduce before you produce. A lot of things you're hearing in the news about the potential blackouts this year, more than ever. We'll be going over the ability to get you to be potentially that only home in the neighborhood with the lights on when the power goes off, all the different technology, generators, battery backups, understanding how to leverage, maximize the utility rebates and tax credits that are out there to get it where these systems don't cost you as much. And the last thing is, if you're in the market for a new heating and air conditioning system or insulation or windows, when you come to one of our workshops, you're going to know more than 90% of the consultants that come to your home. And we're very proud of that fact. Again, thank you very much. My name is Duane Knickerbocker with Brower Mechanical.